Alright, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder on your OneDrive. Here we are in Microsoft Office 365. The first thing I'm going to want to do is go over here to my app launcher. That's this square arrangement of dots. Click on that, and I'm going to choose OneDrive. Once it loads, I'm going to click onto My Files. You can do this from here. We're going to use the Add New button to create the folder, but I just want to show you my files and how I try to organize things quickly. So you can see I've got tons and tons of folders here that I try to organize everything into to keep things easy to find. And you might ask, Mr. Moss, doesn't that make it a little harder to find? And the answer is no, because whenever I have an assignment or um, lesson plan document, whatever it is, I have a folder for it, and I try to organize things that way. So anyway, when you make a folder, you're going to click on this Add New button here, and you're going to choose Folder. And then you can pick whatever color you like, and then you need to give it a name. Maybe Final Productivity is the name. And it says folders can't start or end with white space. That's because I accidentally put a space at the end. And then I'm going to rename this and just call it temp, and I'm going to put it right at the top by doing these zeros. That means it'll be the top folder because these go alphabetically, right? So once I'm in here, if I need to, I can even make temporary subfolder, right? Once I create that, and now in here, I can come over here and I can choose share, right? And if I want to share this one with everyone, I can choose can edit, like if you're going to in my class and you're going to share it with me. And then I just type the name of the person and just for, right? So that's who it's going to be shared with. And I think that's going to cover everything. So we go back up here to my files and I come down here and say I have a file that needs to be moved there, right? So then I want to click on it and I want to choose move to, and then I'm going to put it in the folder that I just made. Okay, that should cover everything. Let me know if you have more questions. All right.